This 1996 Pontiac Firebird is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Transom WS6 optional equipment RAM air performance and amp handling package $2,995 RAM air induction system functional air scoops 5-spoke 17-inch quad aluminum wheels dual oval exhaust system specific tube suspension locking hatch roof removable $970 leather seating areas $829 articulating custom seats with lumbar support rear deck spoiler $395 radio with compact disc player and 10-speak sound system $215 remote keyless entry $135 steering wheel radio controls $125 automatic power antenna $85 standard Firebird Trans Am options 5.7L V8 engine 6-speed manual transition aero appearance package body color side molding style sport mirrors air conditioning controlled cycle wipers power windows power door locks rear window defogger cruise control black exterior graphite leather interior vehicle comes with original window sticker floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto. Visit us at